This 2023 Jeep Wrangler is brought to you by Twins, Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Jeep is powered by Wrangler, four-wheel drive, automatic transmission, gas-electric VV6 3.6L 220 engine, and has 26,923 miles. Adventure awaits. Own a 2023 Jeep Wrangler. Off-road ready, low mileage, unbeatable price. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.